There's a bad girl gone good. Look at me now, I have everything you gave to me, and my heart can sing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing yet another makeup look inspired by 𝑘𝐸's Pudding Pot and Jelly Pot. In this video, I'm going to be doing a look inspired by their Jelly Pot in the shade Cherry Poke. I think that's how you pronounce it, cherry. I think. Here it is. It's so cute. I haven't taken the film off, but it literally looks like a cherry shade. Okay, so I'm going to do my brows off camera, and I'll be back with you guys after my brows are done. Okay guys, so I just finished with my brows and stuff. They look really cute and they're kind of thin. Anyways, I'm gonna start on my eyeshadow, which is gonna be a simple kind of light smoky eye, and I'm gonna put a tiny bit of glitter on top of it. So yeah, and I think I may do like a highlighted part up here, but I'm not sure just yet. We'll see how this turns out altogether. You guys already know my trusty Juvia's Place palette. Okay guys, so I'm gonna keep going back in with these colors. I'm going to blend this out real good, and then I'm going to be right back. See y'all. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put on my liner, and it's gonna be upturned in 𝐒𝐞𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬 Okay guys, so my base is done and now we're just powdering, and I'm gonna start on my eye makeup. I'm taking a black gel liner and I'm going to line my inner corner up until maybe like right here. Now I'm gonna use this Judydoll eyeliner and I'm gonna make a little line that goes down here, like upwards, and one that goes out over here. I got this from Yesstyle. You guys can use my code over here and you guys can save a bit of money on your next Yesstyle order. I absolutely love this liner because it's so thin and precise. It's awesome. Something like that. I'm gonna do the one over front. And then I'm also going to do an inner corner liner. Alright, perfect. And now I'm going to do it to the other eye, and then I'll be right back once that's done. I'll bring you guys in a little closer for this part, but I want to add on a little bit of a red glitter, like right on my eye somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where I want to put it. Guys, where should I put it? I think I'll just pat some on like right in here or something. I'm gonna be using this Pat McGrath Luminous Legends Mega Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to use the shade Golden Muse, I think. Ooh, or should I use this in the middle? Which one? I'm actually gonna use Femme Fatale, I think that's how you pronounce it. This shade right here. Okay, and I'm going to take a little bit of that on my finger and I'm going to tap that on my eye. Or no, I'm going to swipe it. Okay, this is kind of okay. It's kind of cute. Like, I think my makeup look has gone in a different direction than what I originally wanted it to, but I think it's okay. Anyways, now I'm gonna put these little dots on my eye, like these little tail dots on my eye, just to add in a bit more detail and a bit more commotion on my face because it looks pretty plain right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm not gonna talk too much. Okay, do y'all see that? So it's gonna take way too long for me to do all of these on camera, so I am gonna do the rest off camera. I'm gonna do one here and then maybe one a little bit higher than it, and then the same on the other side. Sorry that I can't show you guys, but I have to make sacrifices. See you guys. I have finished drawing my marks. They are a little wonky, but it'll be a-okay because we're just gonna keep on going with it and we're gonna trust the process, kind of. Now I'm gonna do some blush. For my blush today, I kind of want it to be really simple, so I'm gonna use a mix of these two. This is my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Wine, and this is my Semmul single blusher in the shade Bay Pink. This one you can get on Yesstyle. I will link it down below in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna use these two. Okay guys, so I did my blush and I'm gonna do some highlighter. I don't know what type of highlighter I want to do today. Actually, I know what highlighter I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the same shade that I used on my lid, and I'm gonna put it on my nose and these other parts, except for up here. I'm gonna use something different up here. Okay guys, so I've just finished with the highlighter. I'm gonna put a bit of this Dior highlighter, the white shade, up on my brow bone, and then I'm gonna do some mascara and I'm gonna put on some lashes, and then I'll be back to do my gems and my lippy with you guys. See you. Hey guys, so I did a bit of stuff on camera. I added a bit of the Fenty Beauty Cognac Candy highlighter. I'm gonna show y'all. I added a tiny bit of cognac. It's called cognac. I keep saying cognac. See, cognac. Anyways, I added a tiny bit of this on my cheeks and a little bit right here because I felt like the other eyeshadow shade I was using just wasn't showing up or popping up enough, so I had to use a tiny bit of that. Anyways guys, my lashes, I'm kind of upset about them. I don't like them that much. Anyways, I'm now gonna start on my lippy. I'm gonna use just the tiniest bit of a lip liner because I want to. Okay, so I put the tiniest bit of a lip liner on, and I'm gonna start applying my 𝘠𝘬 Jelly Balm in the shade Cherry Pie. Okay guys, so I just finished up with the makeup and it looks really nice, and I really like the lippy. Looks cute with this one this time around. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this makeup look. I really hope that all of you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you hated this video, leave a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my different social medias. They all are linked down below, as well as all the products that I use from Yesstyle. That will be it. I will see you guys on my next